Hello, Internet. Today, our question of the day is: what is a generalist artist? A generalist artist is someone who has a wide range of skills and abilities across different artistic disciplines. Rather than specializing in a particular art form, a generalist artist may be proficient in areas such as painting, drawing, sculpture, graphic design, photography, and other visual arts. They often have a broad range of interests and are versatile in adapting to different projects, styles, and mediums. These can make them well suited for certain types of work, such as commercial art, where versatility and adaptability are valued. However, some artists prefer to specialize in one area of art and develop their skills in that particular field. Ultimately, it depends on the individual artist's interests and career goals. Generalist artists are often able to adapt to different projects and artistic styles, making them valuable in various fields such as commercial art, advertising, or illustration. They can also be versatile and can work in a variety of artistic roles such as art direction, graphic designing, or animation. One of the main advantages of being a generalist artist is the ability to explore and experiment with different styles and mediums. This can help them to discover their strengths and passions and develop a unique artistic style that is not limited by any one medium or technique. However, being a generalist artist can also have its challenges, as it requires a significant amount of time and effort to develop and maintain a wide range of artistic skills. Additionally, some artists prefer to specialize in one area of art, which can lead to more focused development and expertise in that specific area. Overall, being a generalist artist is a matter of personal preference and career goals. Some artists may choose to focus on one area of art, while others may prefer to explore and develop a broad range of artistic skills. So, now that we know what a generalist artist is all about, the big question is, can AI play the role of a generalist artist? AI can certainly create art, but whether it can be considered a generalist artist depends on how we define the term generalist artist. If we define a generalist artist as someone who is proficient in multiple art forms such as painting, sculpture, music, and dance, then AI can potentially be a generalist artist. There are AI systems that can create music, generate visual art, and even choreograph dance routines. However, if we define a generalist artist as someone who possesses a unique creative vision and has a deep understanding of art history and theory, and is able to use their art to communicate complex ideas and emotions, then it is less likely that AI can be considered a generalist artist. AI lacks the consciousness and self-awareness necessary to imbue its creations with personal meaning and intention, and its creations are generally limited by the algorithms and datasets they are trained on. So, while AI can certainly produce art in a variety of mediums, it is unlikely that it can replicate the complex and nuanced creativity of a human generalist artist. Thank you once again for visiting my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, smash that subscribe button, like if you want to. I hope that my videos have inspired you to pick up a pencil, a brush, or whatever your preferred medium may be, and create something beautiful. Remember, art is not just about the end result, but the process and the joy it brings. So keep creating and never stop learning. Thank you for being part of this wonderful community. I look forward to seeing where our creative journeys takes us next. I'll see you in the next video. Cheers!